So, I heard some of you people have a little bit of problem with the battery rail and the battery locking. So I was thinking I could actually show you how to do it. First of all, as you can see, the lock is impossible to get on to off. It doesn't work, simply. So what I do is I take out the battery entirely. And then to number 8. Yeah? Open this one up. So you have it entirely loose. Yes, entirely loose. And then I lift it up so it is just on the edge of the foot, so to speak. Just on the edge of the foot. Leave it there. And then I take the battery. Carefully slide it in. And then I just drop it in. Make sure it is perfectly aligned with the drop. And look here, lock it. You can see it is locked and now it's working perfect. Then very, very carefully slide it up so you don't nudge the battery rail too much. And then simply just lock it into place. There we go. And the final test. Super simple. And it's finished. Ding ding.